I got this Microsoft Surface Pen, Poppy Red color. It's a limited edition color. Anyway, yeah, to partner with my Microsoft Surface Pro 7. So it's a gift, another gift from a friend, my couple friends. So we'll do unboxing. Let's see what's inside. Okay. Okay, there's plastic here. So I have to remove the tape. Has this serial number right there. This box here. So there's this manual. Let's pull it up. I'm gonna read this later. So it has a razor and top button, has the LED there, the right click button, and replaceable pen tip. I think we can get this pen tip from Noon or Amazon here. So we need to set up. This is the instructions. We'll do that later. Okay. So how to replace the battery. So like I need to buy a battery for this one. Okay. So this is it. Alright. I think I can buy a protector here. This protector for the pen. Tip is okay. Yala, I'll try. So it's magnetic, so I can put it there like that.